Hi guys, welcome back. So today I want to revisit the Trimble Business Center keyboard shortcuts. So last video I done a while back under support and define command shortcuts. You can define a whole bunch of shortcuts you would like. However, there is a whole bunch of them predefined, and the other day I came across an article in the Trimble Business Center forums there, and I found this nice picture which shows all the commands there, right? Select all. Some of them are like the Windows shortcuts, but some of them are like join lines, Control J, clip lines, Control key, right? Control D is delete. These small but useful shortcuts will save you a whole bunch of times here and there, right? So measure angle, Shift F2, inverse Shift F3, project settings, Shift F9, presentation mode, Shift F12, command pane F12. That's a very good one when you can type in your command, right? Zoom extends, Control Shift Z. Save project, Control Shift S. That's a really handy one, you know, just quickly Control Shift S, and you're just gonna save it on the fly. But moreover, right, like I like the create surfaces, Control S, relayer object, right, Control R, create quick contours, not really, Control P, offset line, Control O, new layer, Control N, move objects, Control M. These are the ones I would use. So maybe let's just take a quick peek and try a couple of them here. So I'm gonna zoom in and hit create a line and close everything. And so these shortcuts here, right, like you're gonna have to redefine some of them under the support and define command shortcuts, like for example that Control O. If you go Control O, that shortcut is preset by default as an open file, but if you want to do the offset line, you do that and Control O. And what does this shortcut? Okay, so first of all you would have to do open projects and then hit none and then go offset. You see, I don't even remember, and I know we've done it, and then go to Control O and close it. So now when you hit Control O, you get to the offset line, okay, and you can do that. Let's try this. Just select and then hit Control O, and it already has selected line. So I'm gonna post this little picture on the community there, and you guys can see it, but just wanted to do a little refresher where you know that you can define and utilize a whole bunch of shortcuts to speed up your workflows. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next one.